Well, back here in Utah, a local company getting some national interest for its work on radar. Current options said to be large, expensive, and with limitations. That all could change, though. Amy Nay is covering this story for us today. And Amy, you have our attention. What's all this about?
Well, Brian, when you hear radar, what do you think? Maybe a blip on a computer, watching a plane fly by. This technology actually takes you to the ground and allows you to see around the corner. Quite literally, it's where traditional radar never could have gone before. It's a tool that could be helpful for soldiers or even for local search and rescue.
We have a target now, T111.
It takes just seconds.
But we know exactly where he's at.
For this portable radar to spot someone coming down Dry Canyon in Linden.
Radar capability available for very small environments on very restricted budgets.
And unlike other systems out there, this radar is much smaller and these guys say easier to use.
That whole system right there weighs less than 20 pounds.
SpotterRF CEO Logan Harris says it can help security companies track threats and even help airports quickly spot someone if they get into a restricted area.
To know what's going on and say, go take a look.
And it's not just airports that could use this.
Power plants, homeland security applications, border security.
The Defense Department recently called on SpotterRF to show how their radar works as a part of their Stiletto Maritime demonstration program.
They were unable to see certain areas because of the terrain.
So in the demo, Navy sailors used Spotter's radar to spot the obstacles and get advanced alerts needed to deploy and take care of a problem.
Wirelessly communicated back, and that allowed them to have a heads-up alert before it would become into view of their other radar systems.
Accomplishing all this with just the radar, a small tripod, and a radio.
And they haven't been able to use that before just because of the complexity and cost of what radar has been in the past, and we're changing that.
Now, just to put it all in perspective, bigger radar systems cost typically anywhere from $150,000, Brian, to upwards of $1 million. This new technology, they say, is that smaller, less expensive variety. It's more like $1,200, and they say they got pretty good feedback when they were at that military demonstration in Virginia. So we'll see what happens.
Sounds like a bargain.
Yeah, in comparison, that's a pretty good deal.
Yeah, okay.